Okay, so now that we got this cover off, which was 3 bolts, if you look here, 1, 2, 3. Look here, it was the 1, 2, 3 onto the rack. Now you can see everything. There's the bolts for it. Some more over there. And then this thing will. I'm gonna put this underneath right here. Keep pressure there. So we're gonna take off, and this is on both sides. Take this bolt off. Separate this. And then you're gonna have these 2 subframe bolts. Same thing on the other side. And then this bolt here on both sides. And also, if we look down here, this is separated. There was a bolt in here. That's back here. It was on top of here. Separated. That's the bolt there. And just pull it off. And of course, make sure your steering wheel is in the position of straight ahead and does not move, or it could damage the clock spring. And do